Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure you have local administrator rights and note the Office license. Next, close every Office app and sign out of your Microsoft account so remnants don't block removal. Once done, create a system restore point and back up any custom templates or settings. This protects you if something goes wrong. Now open Settings, Apps and Features to locate Microsoft Office Ltsc Professional Plus 2021 and click Change or Uninstall to begin the built-in removal sequence. You should follow the built-in uninstaller prompts carefully. Choose Remove or Uninstall and allow the process to complete. If the installer reports errors, run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant tool to detect corrupted installation components and force removal. Make sure to remove shared Office data like language packs or proofing tools if asked, because leftovers can block reinstallation. When the uninstaller finishes, reboot once. Then proceed to the next cleanup stage to remove orphaned files and registry entries, and reboot again. Once uninstalled, you need to remove remnants. Delete Office folders and program files, x86, program data, and user app data. Empty the recycle bin. Then export and clean relevant registry keys under HKLM/software and HKCU/software only if comfortable. Always back up the registry first. Run disk cleanup and check that no Office services are running. If issues persist, use the support tool in safe mode as a troubleshooting tip. It often clears locked files and completes removal when.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.